So you've heard the word blockchain everywhere, but what actually is it? Let's make it simple. No buzzwords, no hype. Imagine a notebook that's shared with the whole world. Every time someone makes a transaction, buying, selling, sending, it gets written down in that notebook. But here's the difference. Once something is written in, it can't be erased or edited. It's permanent, and everyone has a copy. That's what a blockchain is, a secure, digital record of transactions. That's stored across thousands of computers at the same time. Now, why is that important? Because it removes the need for middlemen, no banks, no central authority. Just people verifying the truth together every 10 minutes or so. A new block of data is added to the chain, and that block includes a list of recent transactions. Each block is linked to the previous one. That's why it's called a chain. And to make sure no one cheats the system, every block must be verified using powerful computer algorithms. Let's pause for a second. What makes blockchain so trustworthy? Two things: transparency. Anyone can see the history of transactions. Security. Once data is added, it can't be changed without the whole network agreeing. It's not controlled by one company, one bank, or one person. That makes it fair and hard to manipulate. Now, why does blockchain matter to you? Because it's the technology behind Bitcoin and many other digital currencies. It's what allows people to send value without needing permission, waiting days, or paying high fees. But blockchain isn't just for money. It can be used for contracts, ID systems, voting, supply chains, even healthcare. It's a tool, and like any tool, it can be used the right way or misused. So before jumping into any project, ask, does this use blockchain to solve a real problem, or is it just trying to get rich quick? Here's the bottom line. Blockchain is a system that builds trust without needing trust. It rewards honesty, transparency, and consistency, and that's something we should always value, especially in the world of money. Now, before we wrap up, here's something important to remember. Just because a project uses blockchain doesn't mean it's valuable. That word gets thrown around a lot, sometimes just to attract attention or investment, but real value comes from solving problems, not just using trendy tech. So ask yourself, does this project offer real-world usefulness? Is the team transparent? Are they building something meaningful or just marketing hype? It's easy to get pulled into fast-moving trends, but real progress takes time. The most reliable systems in history were built on trust, responsibility, and long-term thinking, not noise. Blockchain has the potential to support that kind of future, one where people have more control, more clarity, and more ownership, but only if we approach it the right way. So don't rush. Don't chase shortcuts. Learn deeply, act mindfully, and build steadily. That's how you grow, in crypto and in life. If this helped you understand blockchain better, give it a like and subscribe for more simple, honest videos on crypto and digital money. You don't have to follow hype, just follow knowledge. Thanks for watching.